The real money is in the little data. That's where the value is. And it's the small fragments of data which create the greatest value for your clients, your customers, and for you too. Especially when it comes to things like predicting failure, automatic repairs. Infosys is a client of mine. They've managed to put sensors on oil rigs, for instance, and they can now predict fairly accurately which oil rig is going to blow up and what part of it is. They don't necessarily know why, but they know what part of it will, just by data association, analysis, and recognizing patterns, the machine recognizing patterns. Now, of course, with all of this, there's a risk, and I'm so pleased we had a whole session on cybersecurity, and I don't want to rehearse all of that, except to say, whatever you think your commitment should be to cybersecurity, increase it by 50%. Because in my experience, most companies who are attacked think they've got robust systems, and they've taken all kinds of protections, but they've still got hit. Because there are still flaws in their thinking. Remember what I said about institutional blindness. It's a bit like, getting the meal right in the kitchen, but still not training the waiter to use their eyes. It's easy to be vulnerable here. So take very carefully every lesson. If you missed that side position, I would suggest you go back and look at it carefully. And the most important thing of all is to say this. If you had a ransomware attack tomorrow, if you were locked out of every single desktop and portable device that you own, and held to ransom, what would you do to recover? How would you do that? That is your greatest defense of all, because once you've done that, you can sleep at night. Of course, you want to prevent the attack, but you must have a contingency in place.